Hello everyone, it's Nady, and today we're unboxing this month's BoxyCharm. As you beautiful people know, this is about the products, not the people behind them. Any tiff you may have with them, please cast it away because this is a channel of positive energy. Okay? Thank you. And for those of us who may be a little bit unfamiliar with BoxyCharm, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription service where each month you get over $100 worth of full-size luxury beauty items. And honey, these bitches do not fuck around. They are in it to win it. They always kill the game. And I think we've been doing these BoxyCharm unboxings for like a yearish now, and out of the hundreds of products that I've received, I've given away 3. This is just a good-ass subscription for makeup whores like myself. I mean, obviously, if it weren't, I wouldn't keep bringing it back on here, would I? And of course, I will always give you my 100% honest opinion. We are all family here. If I like something in here, I'll tell you. If I hate it, I'll let you know. And if at any point you decide, hey, I kind of fucking love that box, and you yourself would like to become a BoxyCharmer, they were kind enough to provide me with a link down below for you to use, but please do not feel obligated to go through me. It's there if you want it. I'm just saying. Fuck me, I'm already sweating and we haven't even opened the damn thing. Anyways, honestly, I wasn't even gonna film with this today. I just got back from New York City, but I saw this sitting on my counter and it was taunting me like a fucking piece of cake. Oh, I want the new makeup that's in here. I have been so fucking good. I did not see a single spoiler for this month, which is really difficult when you spend 9 hours of your day scrolling through Instagram. But I just can't wait any longer, so I've got my little pocket knife. Let's cut this hoe open. Woo! And like every month, I always like to keep it a surprise, so let's grab the little card. This month's theme is Galaxy Glow, and it really seems like BoxyCharm could have used, I don't know, a glow-in-the-dark highlighter? Sounds like a big-ass missed opportunity, BoxyCharm. What? Okay, our first item is crown brushes. We have gotten quite a few crown brushes. I abso-fucking-lutely love them. I use them all the time. Let's get through the noisy part. I feel like that bitch in the theater who always waits till the quietest moment to open up their Twizzlers. We'll pull this down like a foreskin. Ooh, very soft, very synthetic. It looks like they gave us a nice little assortment and they're ergonomical. Doesn't Wet n Wild have something exactly similar to this? Hold the fuck up, I have to Google. Okay, I am very confused. Wet n Wild has literally the exact same brushes except instead of crown it says Wet n Wild, so I don't really know how I feel about that. Let me see how much this trio is. I'm gonna try my hardest to ignore everything else, but this is Crown Pro Trio Brush Set, which retails for $30. Use these brushes to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. The medium-sized brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face. And finally, the large powder brush can be used to set everything in place. $30. I mean, it doesn't look like Wet n Wild offers these exact same brushes, but they are pretty damn close, and they're really damn soft. I mean, it feels like an angel's ball sack rubbing on my face. Would not say no to that. Anyways, next up we have something rectangular. Cover FX Shimmervale. What is it? This is actually the second Cover FX product that I've received from BoxyCharm. The first one was their setting spray, which this is no small penny. Like, they are stepping their ass up. Oh, shit, that is beautiful. This is a pearlescent cream, perfect for eyelids, but can be used anywhere you want. A veil of shimmer. This unparalleled, buildable formula feels weightless, lasts all day, and won't crease or transfer. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. It's pink with like a bluish purple shift. Oh, let's try a little bit right there. Ooh, that is beautiful. It feels exactly like a very, very thin formulated liquid highlighter. And it smells like those bubbles you'd get as a kid. Oh my god, this is glittery and shimmery as fuck. Oh, I kind of want this on my lips. Okay, I am very excited for this because this is orgasmic. This Cover FX Shimmer Veil retails for $28. That's a lot of fucking money. But our little card says the shimmering cream is crease-proof, enough for the boldest eye looks, and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face, suitable for all skin types. I very much appreciate that it's universal. Look at that. It is so beautiful. Although you really can't see the blue shift there, but it is there and it is hella gorgeous. Moving on, let's see what else we have. A pencil? Oh, it is a pencil, but what kind of pencil? Ooh, a Smokey eye pencil. This is a Jessica Liebskind? Is that somebody I should know? Let me Google this. Okay, she is somebody, but I don't know who. Ooh, she's very pretty. Anyway, this is a black liner. Oh my god, that is creamy as fuck. Oh, I'm so happy I got this because the one that I've been using needs sharpening and I don't have a fucking sharpener. I've literally been scraping wood against my eyeball and damn does that hurt like a mofo. This is the Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Pencil, which retails for $21. Jessica's richly pigmented Smoky Eye Pencil delivers intense jet black definition, creating pencil point precision or smudgy saturated color. The creamy soft formula glides on the lids without tugging or pulling. Ooh, that smudges out so nicely. Okay, this is a good ass product right here. here. I'm actually really fucking satisfied so far. Like, I am one happy bitch. All right, this next item is it a vibrator? Please be a vibrator. Nope, it is a Seraphine Botanicals Sugar and Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer. Ooh, that sounds good too. Ooh, oh, I don't know why the fuck I smelled it. Obviously, it's in another tube. This appears to be a lip exfoliant with an E. It's 92% plant-based. It's vegan, no mineral oil, no phthalates, no parabens. It's made with avocado, apricot, and jojoba oils with shea and cocoa butters. It's hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic. Damn. Ooh, and it's actually made with real sugar. Ooh, that shit smells good. Let me try a tiny bit right now. Honestly, this isn't something that I would normally use because I am trying so fucking hard to stay as far away as possible from sugar, but of course this is for testing purposes, so let's see. It's not super scrubby, like, at all. It feels more like a really moisturizing, really fucking yummy lip balm. But there are a few little granules in there, which I feel is just enough because otherwise it might irritate your lips. Damn, I like the fuck out of this, but I am gonna go wipe the sugar off my lips because I'm so tempted to lick them, and I'm afraid if I do, I'm gonna end up squeezing this whole tube into my mouth like a fucking Go-Gurt. All right, we're back. Oh my gosh, that made my lips feel so soft, and it kind of tastes like springtime. Just like lemon zest with a little bit of a kick like limoncello. Oh, so good. And this Seraphine Botanicals Sugar and Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer retails for $24. It is a blend of soft sugar crystals within a rich, nourishing salve base that gently exfoliates and buffs lips, leaving behind a smoother skin with a touch of refreshing lemon zest. Call that shit. Very, very nice. I quite like it. And I think we only have one more thing in here. What is it? Ooh, it's a palette. Oh my god, it's a holographic highlighter palette, which we all know is probably not actually holographic, but is duochromed. Let's see. Ooh, that's really pretty. But definitely not holographic. I mean, everything combined might make it holographic, but individually it looks like they're two-toned with like a dark to light shift. Go ahead and try some of these. God, those are soft and buttery. Ooh, let's try this green one. Oh, that is pretty. They are definitely a little bit difficult to see though, which is absolutely my fault for being surrounded by a shit ton of lights, but oh my god, they're so pretty. Oh, fuck yes. I think when we do our look, we're definitely gonna use some of these for eyeshadow. But this Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette retails for $40. That is a lot of money. But the bitch ain't complaining because we only paid 21 bucks for all this. With 6 stunning holographic shades, this highlighter palette is essential for any makeup enthusiast. Each iridescent palette shade is perfect for highlighting and layering to transform any look into something enchanting. Ooh, it is also good for fanning yourself with. Holy shit, it is hotter than a warthog's ass in here. Ooh, you know me, always keeping it classy. Anyways, let's go ahead and play with these, try them out, and create a little look. Because the theme is kind of like holographic duochrome, I'm gonna go in with this other BoxyCharm product that we got, which is this Temp 2 Liquid Glow, and I'm gonna use this as a primer, and normally these products work with airbrushes, but not this one. This is probably way too— oh shit! One of my eyeshadows just crumbled everywhere. That's fabulous. Anyways, hopefully I don't look like the fucking Tin Man after using all this, but we'll see. Whoopsie, the bitch is a little bit shiny, but that's okay. Let's just go in with a matte foundation that is clearly way too fucking yellow for me, because why the hell wouldn't it be? And hopefully that shine underneath will give like a nice dewy glow from within look. Or maybe not, I straight up look like a tan piece of sheet metal. And for concealer, let's go in with some ColourPop in the shade Beige 25. And I just want to say, a lot of people give me shit about always having the wrong foundation color on here, and I fucking know, but I do typically use shades that are a little bit too dark for me because I like to look tan. I mean, sorry, but not all of us can sit poolside for an hour each day bronzing up like a fucking hot dog. And of course, let's go ahead and set under the eyes with some translucent powder. And because this ended up being a little bit more shiny than I wanted, I am gonna mattify this a bit by pressing some more of that translucent powder into the skin. To start the eye look, I'm gonna prime my eyes using NYX's primer, and I'm just gonna take that all over the eyelid from the lid to the brow. And while that primer's setting, I'm gonna very, very, very lightly fill in my eyebrows. I really like the way my eyebrows look. I know they're not the Instagram baddie eyebrows, but I enjoy them, but I think they could be a little bit darker. Holy shit, my eyebrows morphed into caterpillars. On a nice round fluffy brush, I'm gonna dip into Winky Luxe's Strut, and this we also got from BoxyCharm, but I love this palette, especially because it has a little holographic shade. But I'm taking that and gently patting it on the eye and slowly kind of working it up the crease. And we'll just lightly blend that back and forth. And then with a smaller fluffy brush, I'm gonna take this kind of sage greeny color. I really don't know who the fuck this is from, but we're gonna start on the outer outer corner and kind of work it up the crease. Right about there, and make little tiny circular motions. Fucking hell, I don't think my brush was all the way clean. It must have had some darker pigment stuck in it, so now it's turning into a darker green look. Whatever though, I'm just gonna go back and forth on the crease, kind of working it into the socket. With a little bit of shape tape, I'm gonna try cutting the crease out just a little tiny bit, and I'm gonna start right here in the middle. And we're just gonna drag that kind of on the high side right up on the crease, and I'm gently gonna tap that out with my finger. I don't want anything super dramatic in this, really isn't a cut crease, but I just wanted it a little bit lighter right here. And then on another flat brush, I'm gonna dip into this yellowish greeny color right here, and we'll place that right over that concealer that we just laid down. Ooh, fuck me, that is pretty. Oh, that is a really pretty color. I think I'm also gonna take on that same brush this greenish mint color right here. Let's place that right there in the middle and kind of work it towards the outer corner. Okay, this might end up totally ruining this look, but I just want to see what a little bit of purple will look like on the lower lash line. Not sure how I feel about that, but it did give me an excuse to dip into this purple right here, and I think we'll try highlighting the inner corner with it and kind of bring it a little bit onto the lower lash. And let's give our eye a little bit of a line with our pencil. I did end up blinding my upper and my lower lid and smudging out the top lid, but I just wanted a little bit more oomph, so I'm gonna go in and add a liquid liner on the top. There we go. To finish up with the eye look, I was gonna use this Cover FX on my lips, but I honestly think it's gonna be a bit too much, and I do want a little bit more highlight on my inner eye, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of it on this pencil brush. Actually, that brush was too big, so I'm taking an even smaller pencil brush, and I'm just gonna place this right here on the inner corner. Really highlight the fuck out of that area. Oh, damn, that is so pretty. Oh, I like that. Holy hell, I actually kind of love the shit out of this, and I am really curious to know what it would look like on the lips, so even if we end up wiping it away, I just want to see it. Okay. Oh my. No. Oh, it does not feel good on the lips at all. All right, got that out of my system. I did go in and contour a little tiny bit, and now for highlighter, which one should we use? Let's try a little bit of this guy right, holy shit. Anyway, a little bit of that guy right there, and okay. I think I took off a little bit too much. Let's re-dip into that. Is anything happening? I think I see a little bit. I think I also want to try a bit of this purple. Oh, there we go, daddy. Oh, fuck me. It is a little bit on the light side for me, but honestly, I don't even care. Like in person, it looks so good. And I think to top that off, let's go in with a little bit of this yellowish color. Oh, yes. Oh my God, you guys, I love this. I don't know how frequently I would use this because the shades are kind of on the more unique side, but then at the same time, I love unique shit. And of course, let's highlight right down the bridge of the nose. And for lipstick as a base, I'm going in with ColourPop's Boy. And then on the outer corners, I'm gonna go in with Pinkies Up. And then over that, I'm gonna take just a tiny little bit of Patchology's Lip Service. This is just a gloss. Holy shit, I actually have one of the Wet n Wild brushes, and they actually are different. Like the bristles just feel different, but I mean otherwise they seem to be the exact same. Very interesting. Also, I forgot to even fucking use these brushes, so my bad. Anyways, here we are with the final look. I absolutely loved using everything. Like there are no giveaways this time. I am very proud of myself for being a little bit adventurous and adding a little pop of color in there, but I ended up really liking it. These highlighters are amazing on the eyes. There's no fallout, and they're not the glittery kind of highlighters. Like I hate those, and these are not them. This little bitch looks beautiful on my inner corner. This eyeliner was great. I just wanted a little bit more, but on my lower lash, it is popping as fuck. This little guy prepped my lips very, very nicely. They're so soft. They got all the dead skin off, so my lipstick just looks so much better. The only things that I didn't use were these brushes, which honestly was my own fault. I totally forgot about them. Adding up the retail price of everything that we got today, it's over $140. I mean, that is really fucking good because we did get really good quality products. I don't think I really have any complaints about this month's box. Like everything that we got, I'll use. So once again, good job, BoxyCharm. Like I said before, if you yourself are interested in the service and would like to become a BoxyCharmer, BoxyCharm did provide me with a link down below for you to use, but please do not feel obligated to go through me. Like always, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget my newest collection of highlighters, including Black Ice, which does change from black to white, is available at thepoplux.com. Also, my latest album, Kiss of Fame, is available everywhere online that music is sold. Thank you so much to everyone who's supporting them. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at officialnady, and you can follow me online at thepoplux.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Bye!